morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to work with a new concept and new vocabulary, okay? Excellent. So, today we're going to work with the clock. Did you know what is a clock? Excellent, very good. Okay, so we use the clock to know what time is it. This is very important because sometimes we have different things to do on a day. For example, on Tuesday, you have your personal work at 9 p.m. You have your English class, and then you have music class or class with Silverio or Atrio. So you need to know what time is it to know what you are going to do. Okay? Very good. For example, on weekends, when you need to go to eat with your grandma or your grandpa, you need to know what time is it so you can take your shower, put your clothes, take some food, and go to the house of your grandpa and your grandma. Okay? So that's two examples of why you need to know what time is it. So let me show you types of clocks so you can watch them and you can learn a little bit more about the clock. Okay? Ready?
Are you ready to learn to tell time? Okay, let's go! What time is it? It's 1 o'clock. What time is it? It's 2 o'clock. What time is it? It's 3 o'clock. What time is it? It's 4 o'clock. What time is it? It's 5 o'clock. What time is it? It's 6 o'clock. What time is it? It's 7 o'clock. What time is it? It's 8 o'clock. What time is it? It's 9 o'clock. What time is it? It's 10 o'clock. What time is it? It's 11 o'clock. What time is it? It's 12 o'clock. Good job, guys.
Excellent, boys and girls. So remember that it's very important to see the numbers at the clock to see what time is it. We're going to have a quick review of the numbers from 1 to 12. And you are expert in numbers, so I know it's going to be super easy for you.
How many cats? How many cats? One cat, two cats, three cats, four cats, five cats, six cats, seven cats, eight cats, nine cats, 10 cats, 11 cats, 12 cats. How many cats are there? There are 12 cats. How many dogs? How many dogs? One dog, two dogs, three dogs, four dogs, five dogs, six dogs, seven dogs, eight dogs, nine dogs, 10 dogs, 11 dogs, 12 dogs. How many dogs are there? There are 12 dogs.
Excellent, boys and girls. So remember that when the long hand of the clock it's at 12 and the short hand is in another number, it means that is, for example, 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock, okay? So remember when mommy tells you what time is it and the long hand is at 12 and the other hand is at other number, you have to see and you have to say the small hand is at 4, so it's 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock, okay? Boys and girls, so go and grab your Dino and Me book. We are going to start working. Today we are going to work on page 11. And take your colors and your pencil because we're going to start.
Okay, boys and girls, here we have your page number 11 of the Unit 1, My Busy Week, Lesson 7. Okay, so here we have different clocks, and every clock says a different time. Okay, so remember that we are working with the clock, and the long hand is going to be at 12 and the short hand is going to be in other number, and this one, the small hand, is going to tell us what time is it. For example, here we have the small hand looking at the number 1, so it's 1 o'clock. Excellent. Here we're going to trace a line to make the small hand. And this one is looking at the number. What number is this? 3. Very good. So with your pencil, we are going to trace the number 3. My number 3 is strange, but you can do it better. Okay, next one. In this clock, here we have the small hand, and this small hand is looking at the number. Very good, number 4. So here we go. We are going to trace the number 4. Excellent. Very good. Next clock. The long hand is at 12 and the short hand is at number what? 7. Excellent. So here I'm going to write the number 7. Remember that this one is a digital clock and this one is analog clocks, but it's the same because they tell us the time. So it doesn't matter if it's digital or analog, but you can learn the time by using them, okay? So here we have the small hand at the number 8. Very good. So here we're going to do the number 8. Excellent. Okay, boys and girls, now you can do it by yourself. This one and this one, okay? Remember to always observe where is the small hand and what time is it. When you finish, tell mommy to take a picture and send it to us.
Very good. And for the last activity, you are going to draw a clock in your house. I know that we have different types of clocks. We have digital clocks and we have clock in your cell phone or in the computer. So any clock that you want to draw, you can draw it, okay? You can use a piece of paper, you can draw your clock and take a photo and send it to us. Ready? Thank you very much, boys and girls. See you later.